Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm here with a new video. Today I will tell you how to fix the problem if you cannot access Apple ID on iPhone. Here is the fix. Open setting and now tap on your email ID and you can see it's not opening. Your Apple account is not opened if you tap on it. How to fix this problem? To fix this problem you have to scroll down to screen time. After that scroll down to content and privacy restriction, tap on it and now scroll down to account, tap on it. Here is the two option, allow and don't allow. You have to set your settings to allow, just like that. After that go back and you have to turn it off, content and privacy restriction, turn it off. After that go back in setting and here your Apple account is on. If you tap on it, your Apple account is working now. So this is the solution to solve the problem if you did not access Apple ID. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.